Hi everyone, today we have a treat for you. We are going to show you the #1 selling floor plan in the Tiburon C-Class style motorhome by Thor Motorcoach. This is the 24XL, and this has been the latest, greatest selling floor plan for Thor. And I can see why. So let me show you some features around here. Not only is it built on the Mercedes chassis, but you have full body paint, huge massive awning to be able to enjoy that camping area. But it's also been set up really well for storage. So for example, here is a bin that gives you some great storage flexibility. We also have our generator right here. It's a 3200. We have some storage right in here, but really what you want to see is this storage right here. Full pass-through, nice and tall and deep, even lit storage, so you can actually carry quite a bit of gear. You could put some bikes back here, look to put some small kayaks or paddle boards and be able to take that with you. But beyond that, let's go inside and show you some of the features of this 24XL. So as I mentioned, built on the Mercedes chassis. So you have your Mercedes smart wheel, you have a digital cluster in between your speedo and your tachometer. You have your media center here, beautifully upholstered seats. You do have a seat cap, small overhang up here if you wanted to lie and simply look at the stars at night to give you a little idea, you know, what you'd be looking at. If you have grandkids, great little spot for them there. Then we have our dining table and our recliners right there. Easy to pull that table out and recline and relax. Good storage around, very elegant finish, very European. We have our galley, lots of space in the galley, good storage down below. Our stainless steel European style sink. We have 2 burners below the glass top and our microwave. And we'll give you an idea of some of the storage up above. You know, good size storage across the board. Now for the fridge, we have a nice fridge with a freezer section. So you have a decent amount of fridge space here. Then in the center, we have our shower with a nice colored and textured surround with a skylight. And across from it is our water closet. And of course, that door closes in place to make a private large bathroom. Again, we have some storage here and our medicine cabinets. But really what makes it a great seller that tops off all those features is this sleeping area here in the back. You can use it as 2 twins if you wanted and have the cushion in the center to sit up and just read a book, watch TV, or take the cushion, flip it over, insert it down in here, and you have yourself a massive bed to sleep in at night. Also, when you look around, we have 6 cabinets that surround the area, plus some wardrobe here on the side, as well as this side. And there is TV hookup right over here if you wanted to mount a TV. But that sleeping configuration gives you flexibility so that you can stop, rest at any time while you go down the road, sleep overnight if you've pulled into a truck stop or a Walmart without having to change anything in the unit. And even when this slide is in, lots of living space to move about. So if you're in the market for a small camper, looking for flexibility, big bed, but not a big footprint, take a look at the 24XL Tiburon. Reviewing the video. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please hit the subscribe. We greatly appreciate the support with subscribers. Check back soon for more great videos on RV products, both motorized and towable, and we'll see you soon back at the channel.